Good morning and good afternoon. Sanding Boy is back. We're going to do a little quick episode before Ernie gets in trouble. It's Painting with Sandy Boy. Good afternoon and good evening and good night. Yeah, we're listening to Will Rock again. Yeah, hi, how are you? I got to run to the bathroom again. I got to go to the bathroom, I think. Here we go. Yeah, hi everyone. How you doing? Did you miss me? I'm feeling a lot better tonight. Yeah. Well, this is what we're going to do tonight. It's going to be very exciting. Hopefully I don't get in trouble for this, because this is going to be amazing. Who gives a crap? Like I said before, if you don't like it, don't watch it. Here we are. Good morning and good afternoon. Did you miss me? I gotta take a crap. Well, hi everyone. I'm back. We have to remove the Blackhawks hat and do the quick painting. Look, I got the blue tip. It's already ready. Look. Woo, 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 woo. Do down the middle. Yeah. Does that look wonderful? It's kind of getting old, ain't it? Hold on, I gotta make an adjustment here. Yeah. Is that better? Oh yeah. Who gives a crap? Yeah, just hit myself in the head with the brush like this. How about like this? And then look at this. I got the green paint going on too at the same time. Look, it's not working too well, but we'll figure it out. Yeah, we'll just go like this. Yeah, and like this. Yeah. Just gotta keep it out of the eyes. It's kind of bothering me lately. Yeah. And how about this? The lips. Ooh. Oh yeah. Yeah, how about that? Does that make you happy? I just smacked myself in the fucking... Yeah! You like it? Well, this is what we got going. We made a big pot of plaster for everyone. Yeah, it's plaster time. Yeah, this is how this works. Look. It's in my mouth. Oh shit. Holy crap, that was crazy. Now, look, we got some ragu. We'll add that to it. How about that? Yeah, it's wonderful. Yeah. And how about this? My head is cold. Help me. Good morning, good evening, and good night. If you don't like it, don't watch it.